Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free video editor with inbuilt screen recorder for Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for the application name as BSDC video editor, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see here its official website, right? So just click on this, read more about video editor. Now you will see a download option. Just click on it. Wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run the installer. Now click on OK. Now click on next. Click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next again. And just click on next. Click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now you can just click on finish to launch this application. So finally you can see some instructions here. You can just click on open a new project, start editing, export a project, whichever you like. So I'll just close it. Since it's a pre-version, you might see this all the time opening screen, but don't worry, it will not hamper you in your video editing later. So now you can see this kind of UI, right? So it has tons of options, so I will just give you a quick overview one by one later on. So here we'll directly focus on the topic. So here you can see here screen capture, right? So beside to it is a video capture also, so which will gonna use your webcam also, but I'm not going to discuss all the functions here right now. So here I will just mainly focus on the screen recorder, right? So if you want to record your computer screen, then you can use this option. Just click on it and we'll see here option like firstly by default recommended format, right? And you can select in the native also. There's tons of options, even in a custom which type of video formats you want to choose. If you want to choose different types of video formats also depending upon your needs, so I'll just select the recommended. Even you can check for settings also, more options, video codec if you want to change. So here are video formats, API, as well as Windows Media video, and as well as you can change the bitrate as well as the audio formats also here, and even the frame rates also you can change everything here before starting your screen recording. So I'll just keep it as the recommended format right now, and below you will see here the destination part, that is once your screenshot recording is completed, it will be saved on this location. So you can see here in my case it's free. So if you find any difficulty in finding the output or the saved screen recorded videos, then you can just go, or you can click on browse and locate to that folder. So you can just click on browse also to locate. You can see here under the video folder section there will be a recorded videos. So below you can see some hotkeys. You can use F5 if you want to pause or resume again, and if you want to end recording you can just press Shift plus F5. So and below you can see here start recording. So let us start recording. So you can see before recording you will get more options, like you want to take a full screen or just some particular screen, right? If you want to take a particular screen you can just drag this. You can just drag this wherever you want. You can just reshape also if you wish. You can just resize also. And if you want to take a full screen, then just click on this icon as you can see here. Just click on full screen and just click on this, and below you can see here show panel when you start recording. If you want to see the recording panel on your screen while you were recording your computer screen, then you can just enable it. Right now I'll not enable it, so I'll just untick it and I'll just click on recording. So you can see here it will be minimized to taskbar tray menu, So now it is being recording right now. So let us do some works or perform some task. Let me open some programs. So once you are done, just on your computer keyboard, just press Shift and F5. So the recording is completed. You can click on OK. So let us go to the folder where the recorded file has been saved. So under the videos, recorded folders. So here is the recorded video. So now you can edit it with the BSDC free video editor. So let us open again. And now just click on this new project, click on finish, and just select the recorded video, click on finish. Now it will import. Now you can see here below, you can just play it to check. Now you can see the user interface of this video editor, right? So I'm not gonna make you bored by showing each and every functions of this video editor. So I will highly focus on mainly which are being commonly used. Say if you want to split, right, split some video portion. Say I want to split here, I want to split this video into two different parts. So just select the video, and you can see under the editor option, as you can see on the above editor option, you will see a blade like icon, right? So once you point your mouse cursor in it, you can see a split in two parts. There is a keyboard shortcut also. You can use a Ctrl+K, or you can just click on this icon. Now you can see we have split the video into two parts. So now you can move the other. So it's the split options, and say you want to zoom this other part, right? So you can do one thing. You can see here on the corners a square box on every corners, right? So you can just put your mouse cursor here, and you can just drag it. You can just drag it from any corners. And if you want to decrease this frame size, just scroll down for your comfortable so that you can maximize it more. So the violet color or the purple color, as you can see in the frame, will be visible while you are rendering or exporting it as a video. So let me zoom it. So you can just drag it wherever you want to zoom. So in my case, I want to zoom this icons, right? Let me place it. So the video portion which you will be seeing in the output video will be this one, right? So the first video will be like this, and once you reach that position, then you can see this portion will be seen. So this is the zoom effect you can do. So in my opinion, the zooming is also very easy if you want just standard zoom effects. And let us discuss some options here. In the above you will see here like scene. You can remove some scenes, edit. Under the edit you will see a tons of options, whether you need it for a professional purpose or just or simply simple or basic video editing. Still tons of options here. Everything you can get. Under the view options you will get a tons of options. Even you can get a layout tools, tons and tons of options. In the editor sections like audio effects, video effects, add objects, text effects. If you want to add a text or any effects, you can select this. And once you are completely done with your video editing, then you can see your export project, right? Just select it, and now below you will see here profile. So by default it will be selecting H.264/ABC. You can change it also depending upon which profile you want to choose. So there is this much of options are available here. So I'll just select this MPEG4 profile, and above you can see here which video format you want to convert here. So by default it will select the AVI. There is a MPG, MOV, WMB to MKB to SWF to FLB also. So I'll just select this to MOB, and once your output video format is been selected, and you can see your export format project. So you can see your export project, just click on it, click on continue, wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it's processing now. So the conversion or the exportation of the edited file has been completed. So you can see your conversion was completed. Click on OK. Now you can close this video editor. Click on no, I don't want to save right now. So you need to go back to this video, and here you will be finding the exported video. So let us try to play this video. So you can see here the zoom effect. So it's a standard zoom effect. Once you reach that point where I have zoom in the portion, so there is no any watermark also even with this free video editor. So in my opinion, it's a very good free video editor with inbuilt screen recorder for Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you never known about this free video editor with inbuilt screen recorder for Windows computer, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.